Hey guys, this is Indu here. Hope all are fine at home. Our today's topic is going to be on Panchayati Raj system and functions of municipalities. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that every single time I upload the video, you will be getting the notifications. Kindly watch the video till the end because I have included some of the important board examination questions for practice. Panchayat Raj system. Each village or a group of villages in some states has a Gram Panchayat. This is a council consists of several ward members. The name of the ward members are known as Panch. Same way, the president is known as Sarpanch. So this is an important one mark question. So how Panchayat Raj president is known as. Likewise, you will be getting questions. They are directly elected by all the adult population living in a village or ward. Gram Panchayat is the decision making body for the entire village. The Panchayat works under the overall supervision of the Gram Sabha. All the voters in the village are its members. It has to meet at least twice or thrice in a year to approve the annual budget of the Gram Panchayat and to review the performance of the Gram Panchayat. When Gram Panchayat are grouped together, they form a Panchayat Samiti or block or mandal. So these are the hierarchies, right? Block or mandal. The members of Panchayat Samiti representative are elected by all the Panchayat members in that area. All the Panchayat Samitis or mandals in a district together constitute Zilla. We call it as Zilla Parishad. District is known as Zilla Parishad in Panchayat, right? So members of the Lok Sabha, MLAs of the district, some other officials of other district level bodies are the members of Zilla Parishad. So it is a kind of hierarchy. Panchayat Samiti, Mandal, Zilla Parishad, likewise the hierarchies will goes on. So this is a basic functioning of Panchayati Raj system. So you should be knowing the basics like who is the president, how the ward members are named as, what are the hierarchies. So all these things you need to learn from Panchayati Raj system. Municipalities. As we all know that Panchayati Raj system is a local body in rural areas. Same way, municipalities are the local bodies functioning in urban areas. We call it as cities, the towns, right? So that is the difference between municipalities and Panchayati Raj system. Both are the local bodies. Panchayati Raj system is something which functions in rural area, whereas municipality is something which functions in urban areas, that is cities. So this is the basic difference. Both municipalities and municipal corporations are controlled by elected bodies consisting of people's representatives. Same like MLA and MP elections, for municipal corporation also they do have election, and that is why they have people's representative. The municipal chairperson is the political head of the municipality. In a municipal corporation, such an officer is called the mayor. This new system of local government is the largest experiment in democracy conducted anywhere in the world. Constitutional status for local government has helped to deepen democracy in the country. So this local body has proven that democracy has spread the nooks and corners of the country. Only it is possible because of the implementation of local governance in municipalities as well as in Panchayat Raj system. It has also increased women's representative and voice in our democracy. We always call women is the important power of the earth. So when it is considered women as so important, In politics also, they must be given equal representation. Equal representation we did not achieve still. At least in local bodies we have achieved 1/3 of the reservation for women. So it is working out really well. So this is all about the basic understanding of municipalities. As far as municipalities are concerned, first of all, each and every student must be knowing which place they belong to, which district they belong to, and which municipalities they belong to, or which Panchayati Raj system they belong to, and who's the leader of such local body. So you should be knowing all that. It's a small homework. Students, please go and do it. Yes, we have come to the important phase of this video, important board questions. Number 1, explain the structure of the new Panchayat Raj institution both in rural and urban areas. Number 2, rural local government is known by the name of Panchayat Raj or democratic decentralization. Explain. What is the official post for the chairperson of a municipal corporation? It's a 1 mark question. Question number 4, explain the term municipal corporation. These are some of the sample questions which is from the same topic, Panchayat Raj and municipality. Students, practice as many as questions possible. So that is all for today's class. Thank you so much, guys. Please share my video, like my video, and subscribe my video. Bye bye. See you. Take care.